Hello students, I am Rajiv Kumar, your maths teacher, class 12th, subject maths, part 1, chapter 4, determinants. It is a new chapter starts from today. Determinant to every square matrix A of order n, we can associate a number real or complex may be called determinant of the square matrix A. It means every square matrix may be represented as in form of determinant of same order. Examples: if A is equal to matrix A, then determinant of A is equal to mod A, or determinant A is equal to A. Second, if A is equal to matrix A, B, C, D, then determinant of A is equal to determinant A, or mod A is equal to determinant A, B, C, D. Third, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then determinant of A or determinant A is equal to determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Students, pay attention. Only mark is changed in matrix and determinant, and order is no changed when a matrix or when a determinant. Order has not changed. Expansion of determinants. 1. Determinant A is equal to A. It is 1 by 1 order determinant, because if determinant has one element, so it is positive sign. Second, determinant A, B, C, D is equal to A determinant D minus B determinant C is equal to AD minus BC, because the sign plus minus minus plus. Students, pay attention. If A, then you cover this column and this row, so D is remaining, and sign from here minus, then you have to write here B and cover this column and this row, so C is here. Now multiply AD minus BC. Third, determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is equal to 1. If here 1, then this column and this row is covered, and so 5, 6, 8, 9 is remaining. Minus 2, because here minus, so minus 2 into, if you write here minus 2, then this column and this row is covered, so 4, 7, 6, 9 is here. And finally plus 3 is here, because this sign is plus, so plus 3, and you cover this row and this column, then 4, 5, 7, 8 is remaining. And now expand. 1, 5, 9, 5 into 9 minus 8 into 6 minus 2, and here 4 into 9 minus 7 into 6, and plus 3 into 4 into 8 minus 7 into 5. And now simplify. 1, 5 9 ja 45, minus 8 6 ja 48, minus 2 4 9 ja 36, 7 6 ja 42, plus 3 into 4 8 ja 32, minus 7 5 ja 35 is equal to 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into minus 6 plus 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3 plus 12 minus 9. If you simplify it, then 12 minus 12, that is 0. Okay.